Afternoon, my angels. This is Queen coming to you with just a short um video, a short hair tutorial. But before I get started, I'd like to thank you all for coming, visiting my channel. And I ask why you're here, would you kindly hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And also, if you have any comments about this video, you can leave them below. Thank you so very much. Now let's get into this. We just received this in the mail. We are going to do a hair tutorial soon, but I just wanted to bring this to you to do the unboxing. This is Luvme Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. I love the box. I love the color. It's beautiful. It is very, very beautiful. I love it. And so let's go inside. Inside we have Enjoy Your Hair Journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. If you guys are familiar with this hair, please leave a comment below on how you like this hair, because this is new for us. This is our first order from Helena. And okay, let's get into what's in the package. Okay, I'm assuming this is the hair. Comes in a nice bag. But before we get into that, let's see what else comes in this package. We also received, let's see. Oh, we have the Luvme straighteners. And this was free with the order. We have not used them yet. It's a straightener, but I think it also poses as a curling iron that locks it. I don't know. It depends on how thick you want your curls. Yeah. And this is wonderful. This is wonderful. So, okay, this is where it locks. I was trying to lock it. So this is where you, I guess, can do a wand curl. This is really nice. Okay, this is free. It came in the package and with the hair also. Let's see what else we have. Oh, it also comes with a cap, a wig cap, deluxe. Yes. Two pieces. Okay. Oh, and it also comes with a package. I guess this would be for your little clips, hair clips, and oh yeah, this comes with a comb. Oh, this is nice. A band. I guess this would be in case you wanted to add it to the hair. And this is, I'm going to assume this is like oh, this is the wax stick. Oh, they gave you a free wax stick. Okay. And why do I want this hair clip to be named Luvme? But it is Luvme. I hope you guys can see it. And also they gave you some hairpins. I guess they're fashionable too. And the last thing is tweezers. You know what these are for? Yes, these are to pluck out the hairs around the edges. So that is wonderful. I apologize. I keep calling this Luvme, but it is Luvme. I apologize again. Thank you. Now, down to the meat and potatoes. Let's open it and see what we have. Let's see. Ooh. This is Luvme. I'm not sure about the inches. 22 inches. And I forget what her name is. It's a frontal lace, but I forget what her name is. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay. She is beautiful. Look at her. Oh, she is beautiful. Bunch of curls. She is beautiful. She is supposed to be, she is already pre-plucked, as you can see. She is definitely pre-plucked. She is pre-plucked. And let's go under the bottom and see what we have here. Oh, we have combs. We have the elastic band. And we also have the other band. And then we have 4 combs. 2, 3, 4 combs. And she is beautiful. And we are going to do her. We are going to do her soon. So guys, look out for our video. So guys, look out for our video when we are going to install her. We will be installing her soon. So thank you very much for watching. Yes, and if you are familiar with her, this company, would you please leave a comment below, I'm sorry, and let me know how you like the company. Again, Luvme, 100% virgin hair. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.